Hello everyone. Why does this seem so unnatural? Hi guys, today I'll be doing a clean and glowy makeup look. First I'll be prepping my skin and then I'll be putting my makeup on. So first I have these products here. The Ultra Repair Toner from First Aid Beauty, and then the Vitamin C Serum, and where is it? The Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. This looks sponsored, it's really not. I just love their skincare. I have very dry skin and sometimes I get eczema like around here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a bit red. That's why I like using the First Aid Beauty products. Their Ultra Repair Cream is really good for dry skin. Safe for sensitive skin too, as you could see. The Vitamin C Serum, I really like it. I've been using it for around 2 months now. I've seen an improvement in the brightness of my face and I just look more awake. These are the 3 products I use in the morning to prep my skin before putting my makeup on. I'm gonna first use my toner. I don't necessarily have the right technique on putting on face creams. I've seen people like lift their faces up while putting on their serums or creams. Maybe I'll look into that another time. But for now, I'm just gonna put it on like I usually do. Quick and easy. Oh, little mustache there. Oh, and I forgot, another First Aid Beauty eye cream. This is really hydrating, but I am looking for a new one that brightens my under eyes as well. I'm not a fan of the packaging because I feel like a lot comes out at once when I don't need that much. Oh, okay. Well, this time the right amount came out. So I'm just gonna dab that under my eye. Okay, skin is prepped. I'm just gonna let that sink in for a few minutes while I organize and show you guys all my makeup products that I'm gonna use. I'll be using the roche-posay, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, sunscreen in 50 SPF, the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, Pro Concealer Sephora brush in 71. This is a holy grail. I love this brush so much. It helps blend my concealer so well under my eyes. Rare Beauty blush, the Saie Beauty Glowy Super Gel, the Dior concealer, the Shiseido eyelash curler, and the Lancome HYPNOSE, I hope I'm saying that right, mascara. I just want to keep this makeup look simple. So let's get started. Sunscreen, so important. Sometimes I forget this, but today I remembered. Okay, I'm just gonna lather this on my face. Maybe down my neck too. My dog is behind me sleeping. Anyways, continuing on with the tutorial. So skincare is always important to have a clean and clear base. A more glowy base, you can use the Saie Beauty Glowy Super Gel, and it helps a lot with getting that glowy glass skin look, I find. So just a little bit. Just gonna put this on my cheeks and then just put it on like a face cream. Okay, that's done. I don't know if you guys can tell by the camera, but My skin is a bit more glowy using this as the base. Now I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Concealer in 1N. For this, I like to put it under my under eyes here and then kind of an up motion. Other side, and then put it under my nose and near my chin and on my forehead. I won't be using any foundation for this look. I just want to keep it very lightweight and natural. Now I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I'm going to wait for that to dry. So I'm going to be using the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil in black. I'm gonna fill my non-existent eyebrows. I used to have very bushy eyebrows when I was in elementary school, and then in high school I just plucked them a lot, and now I barely have any, and whenever it grows back underneath here, which is the hairs that I don't want, so I pluck those. But my eyebrows have always like been darker here and fades out here. So my technique with filling in my brows, I just do short strokes going downwards. Sometimes it takes me a really long time. This one's a bit harder to fill in because I feel like there's more of a shape on this one, whereas this one, more awkward shape, and it fades out a lot at the ends. I'm sorry if this is boring. I'll come back when my brows are done. Okay, brows are done. I took too long with them, so this dried out. I'm just gonna spray it one more time. I'm gonna wait a couple seconds. So I'm gonna be using this Pro Concealer brush in 71. If you don't have a concealer brush, get this one. I didn't know that I would need a concealer brush until now. Well, you don't need it, but it's very helpful. I used to use this one, Sephora in 47. It was way too big. It would blend it out, but it was harder to get into the little creases or the little parts. So this is very helpful. Okay, now I'm gonna blend it out. And I feel like this brush is easier on the eyes too, since that's one of the delicate parts of your face. So for these parts, I'm gonna use the bigger brush. I'm actually gonna cover this red part. Okay, that's done. I'm gonna actually conceal this part. So I'm gonna conceal this redness here. Just a little bit. I'm also looking in my mirror over here, just so I can get the little details. It's hard doing makeup in front of the camera. So the base is done. I'm gonna use my eyelash curler. Okay, and then the Lancome HYPNOSE mascara. My eyebrows might look lighter and darker because of the lighting, but don't worry, they're actually the same shade. They're actually the same amount of darkness. Okay, this always happens when I'm sitting here with the window over there. Now I'm going to use the Rare Beauty blush. I love this blush. Okay, someone told me to put it where my cheeks are so I could have a more fuller face. Oh, I don't know if that's too much. I'm gonna use my finger to blend. I feel like using your fingers to blend the Rare Beauty blush is the easiest. It goes on matte and I love the texture of this. Okay, there we go. So for extra added glow, I put the Saie Beauty Glowy Super Gel, just a little bit around here. And I put it along my nose as well. Lastly, I'm going to be using the Glossier lip gloss. I love how this lip gloss gives just a little bit of color, not too much. And here is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup and skincare video, and let me know what you guys think. Please like and subscribe, and I'm so happy that I was able to share this with you guys. Hopefully this is able to help you achieve that clean and glowy makeup look. Thanks guys, bye!